Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to sort items in a Dropdown combo box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And see this is a Dropdown combo box and this is not alphabetically sort, this mixing, and I will sort this alphabetically. Now see this form option, and here you will find the select field option, and click on this box and select, and press right button for the mouse cursor and open properties box, and properties dialog box, go option, and here you will find the shorts item. Check here and see all of this item now sort alphabetically. As it close, now see find option and open a box and see this all of this item now shorts alphabetically A to Z. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.